When men supposed to be doing his purpose of existence. When husband should be working or dating their spouse, nandun sa PS5, laro ng laro, nandun sa Dota, nandun sa kung ano mga games. When wives should be nurturing their children, ayun, Facebook ng Facebook, Instagram, 3 oras, 4 na oras nagtiti-TikTok doon. When you're supposed to be in school, mga estudyante rito, when children should supposed to be studying in school, nandun kung ano pinagagawang kalokohan. When we're supposed to be in the season where God has placed us, at umalis ka, and then you remain to a place that you're not supposed to be in, then problems will come. One of the ugliest sins King David ever committed happened when he was supposed to be pursuing his passion and his calling, yet he stayed behind and become too complacent and too comfortable, and the rest, as we say, is history. Isang maling liko ni David, nang boso siya, lumiko na naman, nakipag-sex siya sa hindi niya asawa, nabuntis, lumiko na naman, nandaya siya, dinideceive niya tong asawa, hindi ma-deceive, lumiko na naman, nagsinungaling, hindi kasi ganito, ganyan, lumiko na naman, pinapatay na. From lust to murder, simply because he was supposed to be doing something that God has ordained him to do, and he's not doing it. That's the danger. When we allow a small opening for Satan to work on, if you allow his foot, si Satan, at the door, he will take over the whole house.